How to use Squarespace in 2026. So, you want to build professional websites in 2026 without coding or hiring a developer. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Squarespace step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Alright, guys, so we're going to be going through the entire Squarespace setup process, such as creating a website, editing the pages, customizing your designs, adding some pieces of media or content, and then publishing your site live. So, first off, what is Squarespace? Before we jump in, let's quickly understand what Squarespace is, as it is an all in one website builder that lets you create business websites, blogs, portfolios, online stores, and landing pages. The best part is you don't need coding knowledge, so you can do all of these and more using Squarespace. There is also mention of an artificial intelligence that could help you build your website from scratch as well. All right, so what is the first step to joining Squarespace? It is creating an account. So go ahead and click on the create an account option. Now you're met with either continuing with Google or email. There is a few more options such as your Apple ID and your Facebook account. So you can use these alternative options to log and create your account. So let's say we wanted to go with email, just click on this option. So you're going to have to provide your first name, last name, email address, and a password. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on continue, and that would solve all those problems without you having an issue. So once you've logged in, Squarespace will guide you through the setup process. That's how easy it is. So I'm going to just go ahead and log into my existing account, and I'll show you what comes up next. All right, so once on the dashboard, you get to see your existing websites if you have any, as well as their trial periods, and if your website is going to be selling, like the selling parts of your website. And then once you've taken note of this, just go ahead and click on create website. Alright, guys, and at this point, all you need to do is just search for your site's topic. So it depends on what you want to use your website as, if it's an educational website, a website about health, art, marketing, technology, or if you're trying to build a portfolio website, an online store, a blog, or a business website. So I'll be going with portfolio for this video. So just go ahead and click on resumes and portfolios and then click on next. And then what do you want to do with your website? You could say you want to sell on demand videos or showcase your work and expertise. As basically what a portfolio is. And then you could either build a community or offer a contact form as well. So people can actually contact you or you contact them. It's a two-way thing. And then maybe you could publish some information about yourself as a blog, but I will leave that option out and then click on next. All right, so there is an option to go with a AI website builder. So you let Blueprint AI build you a custom starting point that's ready to make your own. It's the same thing as a template, but it's more detailed. And then we also have professional website templates where you choose from a curated set of designer templates or Blueprint AI templates made for you. So let's just go with the AI website builder. It's almost as good as the templates, if not better. Just go ahead and choose the option closest to your goal. Squarespace templates are professionally designed layouts, so you should look for templates based on the simplicity, mobile responsiveness, and your niche. But seeing as we're going with AI, those are taken up a notch. You just need to select what you want and enter your site title. So you can call it my port, and then you could have a brand personality. So basically, your selected personality shapes the tone, voice, and feel of the AI generated content. So we could have it as sophisticated, bold, quirky, or innovative. So let's go with innovative here. This is what is available. And then simply click on next. So it's going to go ahead and load the AI generated content, and you can see what it went with. You could select your layout depending on what you want. That is future ready resumes or something like this or this or this. So we could just go with this option, and then you could build your homepage. Maybe if you want a product, let's go with a services section. and an about section, and um, we could include a forms into your site, but there might not be need for that. Just go with a footer section. And once the sections you need are selected, go ahead and click on next. All right, and then you can now simply add pages again, either a course, appointments, services. We could go with services and then click on next. And then you can choose your option. So you could go with innovative, playful, friendly, or something else. I'll just go with this option and click on next. And then choose a font for your site. So just go ahead and enter a font style. I'll go with this option and then click on finish. So it's going to go ahead and begin gathering our website and putting things in place. All right, so welcome to your dashboard. And now let's quickly go over the main areas. We have the home, we have the website that includes pages, styles, assets, SEOs, and AIOs. We have products and services. In the pages menu, this is where you get to manage your individual pages of your website. Underneath the styles, this is where you get to design certain things or elements about or around your website. It's like the design part of your website. We have the products and services. Underneath here, you have, in case you have products or you're building a store that showcases products, you would find those options there. Then content and membership is for people who are looking to build a community. So you could have people pay to be part of your community or, a society. All right, so once you're done there, you can now begin editing your website. So in order to edit your already created website, all you need to do is just click on edit. Now you could go to the individual pages and edit them individually, but if you want to edit the home page and everything about your website, just click on edit at the website. So you can get to see the edit the site header, you can edit some certain parts or elements of this, such as changing up a few things like what is being said inside here. You could change the design, the ratios. You could even include animations. So you could click on the plus. So if you wanted to grow out or to look or to jump, you could have certain animations for each part. So you could just simply select a part, click on the trigger, and create an animation. Same thing for this, just double click, click on the trigger and squish. And voila, once something is selected, it would be animated also. All right, so we've gone through the editing of the website. Now we also have the editing of the pages. Now, you can do certain parts or certain things that are available both on editing the entire website or editing pages, which is adding a section. So, if you click on add a section, you can either add a new section that is about intros, contact forms, teams, frequently asked questions, products, group events, scheduling, donations. So, let's say you want to add some donations to yourself. So, you could just simply select what you want, and that would be added here. And then you can simply change the content of what is being showcased in the background by maybe make an impact. So you could just simply turn this to and then head back. And voila, you could have different things being showcased along the background. So you can see here, make an impact, send me some money, spur some change, things like that. And then you could just simply customize the amounts here by just simply setting up what you want. And then you can even set up payment processors, but that will mean leaving out of the edit in order to do that. But basically, we've added new sections. You can now go ahead and customize the fonts and colors. It's really easy to do that. Just select what you want and click on the edit section option, head into colors, and you can simply edit the colors. So right now the colors are the lightest, so you can just click on this pencil here and simply change the colors. So the side background is set to white. We could have it as orange, which is much better. And once you're done here, you could just simply change the background overlay, make it this. And for the text, it depends on what text colors you want to change. Maybe paragraph large, instead of them being red or black, you could have them as custom colors. Let's say something like uh, green or thereabout. So these changes will be made across your entire website. All you need to do is just locate what part of the website you want to change. All right, guys. And then last but not least, adding media and images. So in order to do this, all you need to do is just go ahead and add a block. So to add a block, just hover above a section, and then where we have add block, click on that option. And then you can either add buttons, forms, shapes, lines, products, pricing, and ultimately images and videos. So you can have your videos or images here by just simply clicking on image, and an image will be added here. All you need to do is click on the plus and either select from their library of custom images. They do have a lot of custom images you could include, or you could go with stock images that are powered by Unsplash. So you could go with something like this and click on add image, and it would be added here to your website. And then you could just fill it into the space available for it, and voila. And then you could just simply replace that by dragging and holding. You could simply replace the text and make the text more defined by being closer to your image. All right, guys, and that's basically it. That's how you can build a website, customize your website as much as you want. You could even go into mobile view to see what your website looks like during your previews. You could see how different they are and how customized everything is and how good it looks on Squarespace. All right, guys, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on save, and that's about it. By saving, you have published it. Thank you.